do. Oh my god, I'm using my right hand! Hey guys, it's Ica and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're gonna do the non-dominant hand makeup challenge. So I am right-handed. Pretty much everything I do with my right hand, right foot, like everything is like right-sided. So I find that my left side of my body is a little bit useless sometimes. Anyways, if you guys want to see how I got this look using my left hand, then keep on watching. So, as always, I'm going to start off with my Benefit Professional Primer. No, this one's going to be easy, but I think I just have to keep reminding myself that I can't use my right hand. I think that's going to be the struggle. Or half the struggle. Today, I think I'm going to use the Elise Wattier foundation, and this is the, okay, I can't speak French for the life of me, the Teint Velour Fondant. Anyways, it's a Velvet Matte foundation. And as always, I'm going to use the e.l.f. foundation brush. This is like my all-time favorite. I do have the Sigma too. Not Sigma, the Morphe. Oh, I can't remember what the name was, but a lot of people love that brush, but I don't like it. Obviously foundation is not gonna be like that hard. It's just, you know, there's not a lot of precision required for it. So yeah, so foundation done. Next we're gonna do our highlight and contour. So when I do my own makeup, I have a different way of doing it versus when I do someone else's makeup. Oh, I almost used my right. When I do my own face, I always do my base first and then I do the eyes after. But when I do freelance, I always start with brows and then eyes and then do the face after. I think I'm gonna struggle really mostly with the eyeliner, but we'll see, because I said that too with the no mirror makeup challenge, but then I ended up doing okay. My brush smells so good because I just cleaned it with a brush cleaner that's like citrus smell. Oh frig, I think I just poked myself in the eye. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I'm kind of struggling about this. Hopefully when I edit this video, I'm gonna not see that I've used my right hand at any point. I feel like I almost have to like put my hand behind me just so I'm sure that I don't use my right hand. Next is contour. Ooh, I think I put way too much pressure on this one. I always look like a frigging like clown every time I do the highlight underneath my eyes, and then when I look at myself on camera, it's always like so bright. But I think that's just like how it appears on the viewfinder. Okay, let me contour my nose. And then I feel like it's just so weird to even like hold the brush with my left hand. I don't even know how to hold it properly. Just so weird. Oh, this is gonna be a problem over here. Put it a little bit higher. I can fix it. I feel like, oh, I almost switched to my right. It's already getting a little bit, it's creasing underneath my eye. I actually want to use a loose powder. I'm gonna use the Becca Soft Light Blur Powder. And I absolutely love this. I think this and the Laura Mercier are my favorite. But the Laura Mercier, I just have it in my freelance kit, so I don't really use it for myself. I think I just drooled. The only thing I don't like about loose powders is that it gets so messy, or it can get messy. What's next? I feel like I don't even... Okay, brows. Oh, this is gonna be tricky. As always, I'm just gonna use a pencil because it is much easier if compared to if I use a pomade. Not with my left hand, it's not gonna happen. I can't even like hold the the pencil properly so that I'm brushing it the right way. Concentration is real. Oh wait, no, I can't use that. I'm not happy with my brows, but I don't know if I can make it any better. Oh, I think I'm gonna do smoky eye today actually. So today I'm gonna use the Tarte clay and face and eye clay. What's it called? Clay play palette. I struggled. Oh wow. I absolutely love this palette. I love how big the mirror is, and it's all matte shade, so any, like literally any neutral matte shade that you need is like, it's here. Oh wait, no, I think this one has a little bit of shimmer in it now that I think about it. Yeah. I'm just gonna take a transition color. If you guys ever notice, I don't use an eyeshadow primer. I don't know, I just don't. I mean, I have it in my freelance kit, and I could potentially use it for other people, but for my clients, I use a concealer instead, so I don't know. But then, like, when I worked at, like MAC and, Shoppers, I would always, like, push for eyeshadow primer. But then I don't use it. I mean, doing my makeup with my left hand is definitely taking me a lot longer than I would want to take. I can pretty much do a full face in 10-15 minutes, but I think we're already at like 10 minutes. Use a little bit of a darker brown color and just put it like just under my crease or around my crease. When I'm a little bit lazy, when I worked at Shoppers, on a weekend, I would do this look. I would just do a brown smoky eye. I definitely am struggling a little bit using my left hand, but I think it's definitely doable. And I'm just using like the darkest brown I have on here, all over my lid. I'm not gonna use any black, because this is just a brown smoky eye. You don't only use black if you're doing a classic smoky eye. Oh my god. I cannot. Okay, I'll blend everything after. The important thing is when you're doing a smoky eye is to pat the shade on the lid, and not like swipe it, because you want to build that intensity. Okay, I'm gonna take the other brush again, my fluffy brush, and just like try to blend everything out. I think I'm pretty happy with it. I'm just gonna use brow shade or brow bone highlight. Oh my god, it's like I'm trying to angle it for this one. Okay, that's fine. And as always, you guys know that I like to put eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I mean, I feel like everyone does, or everyone should anyway. So I just use like the same C brush and sweep it across. The only thing is, like, you do have to be careful, because if you had already done your base like I did, you can get a lot of fallouts with this, so just be careful. And the eyeshadow shade that I use on my lower lash line is always whatever I use on my crease and my outer V. I always just mix it. I think I just poked myself in the eye. So I'm just gonna come back on that. I feel like later on I'll have to like clean it up. Okay guys, the trickiest part. Eyeliner. I don't even know how to like, oh my goodness. Okay, that wasn't bad. It wasn't hard. Or that wasn't too hard. Trying to make it even. and not poke myself in the eye. I think that's good. Because it is a smoky eye, I do want to line my lower lash line. I just want to put, obviously, the highlight on my inner corner, as always. I always just use my highlighter because I just feel like it's better. I think I want to do lashes after, or let's do the rest of my face first. So pretty much like, that's the hardest part, I think, or maybe the lashes, so we'll see. Let me just do my bronzer quickly. And I'm just warming up my face, to be honest. I love bronzers. I'll leave my nose, I won't touch it again because I already contoured it with the cream, oh my god, with the cream concealer. I'll use the same palette. I'm gonna use like this mauve shade. Oh my god, that looks like a little too much on camera, I don't know. To make it even. I like the flush look, so like I put my blush like kind of like all the way to the back too. I don't just like put it like in a circular like shape there. Yeah, I always love this highlighter palette, so I'm gonna keep using this. What I do is I actually mix like these two shades together, and that's what I use on a daily basis. And it's like absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god, I have hair all over my face. Oh, let me do lashes then. Even like dispensing the product, I'm actually using like my left hand. And actually, if you don't know how to put glue on the lashes, I use literally just like the tip of a makeup brush. And I do this, so. Okay, let's see if I can do this. This is not so bad. Oh, this is much easier. Like my left hand on my left eye, because obviously I have space to work with. I think it's fine. I kind of have glue on like almost inside my eye, so that's not good. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good. So what's left? Just lipstick. What do I want to use for my lip color today? Let me use this Aladdin collection from MAC. This is in Princess Incognito. But I do. Oh my god, I'm using my right hand! I caught myself. I forgot. What the hell? As I was saying, I use lip liner for my clients, but not on me. And that's another reason why I like using just nude lipsticks, so that like I don't have to be like super precise when I do it on myself. So I kind of just like do a quick swipe and I'm good. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. And if you do, hit the notification bell as well so you're notified every time I post a new video. Also, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!